Well, if you can hear that, that's the speaker going. Whirr. And I find when I tune, I can get a little bit of crackle, but nothing to write home about. So yeah, something is working, and I have managed to get there. You can hear some crackle, so it's trying, but I suspect that I need to sort out the voltage and I need to change some capacitors. But all I did was clean up the pins of the two tubes. Lots of loose stuff around here, lots of corrosion. So yeah, no real surprises there. But we've got life on this old thing. So yeah, I can't leave this on. I'll switch it off. Look at the old dim bulb is glowing. But turning it off, because I gotta sort out some DC voltages and check out those smoothing capacitors as well. See what's going on over there. And then we'll take it further.